Okay. What about the credibility of the IRS moving forward with implementing the healthcare law? A year or so ago, you and I had a conversation in this room about the IRS's readiness to implement the healthcare law. You felt that even though it took 55 minutes for someone calling about a tax question to talk to a human being and get an answer, that you felt comfortable that we would be ready to implement this healthcare law. How do you feel about that today? I know this won't be your responsibility. Do you still think the IRS is ready and has the confidence of the American people to share their most personal information with them to go ahead and implement the new healthcare law?
I think a couple things. I think, one, the last couple of years, Congress has not been funding the IRS sufficiently. And, I would defer to the Inspector General, who's done some looks at least when I left, had been looking at, is the IRS ready to implement its portion?
Are they competent? Are they competent to do it? Are they trustworthy enough? This is personal information people are going to have to share. I mean, we have to restore the confidence, and we don't even know what we're going to do in this case where our most basic freedom of speech has been violated. And you don't know whether anyone should go to jail. You don't know who should be held accountable.
I feel very confident in the men and women of the IRS to do the task they gave them. There was clearly a serious breakdown in this unit and in this topic here, and it's very serious, and the committee should be looking at it, et cetera. But I feel very confident in the capabilities of the IRS broadly and generally.
We'll see if America shares your views, and I yield back.
I think